Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Lenovo laptop camera not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Settings. Click Privacy and Security, click Camera. Turn on camera access, also turn on Let apps access your camera. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Select Advanced Options under Camera app. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Third method, right Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Sixth method is open any browser. Type Lenovo camera driver on browser search bar. Click INTE Greet camera driver for Windows 11. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.